Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how you can win free Bitcoin on Cash App. So pretty often Cash App has new partners, new ambassadors, new people that they bring on to help promote and talk about Cash App. And usually each time they do that, there's some sort of giveaway. This time around, it's Bella Porsche. I believe she might be like a TikToker, and this is also a partnership with their new merch that Cash App just launched. So it says, surprise, I'm the newest Cash App ambassador. To celebrate, I'm giving away $100,000 in Bitcoin. All you have to do is follow Cash App and quote tweet this with your cash tag and Bitcoin Bella hashtag. We can see that this giveaway goes until 4/19, which is 3 more days. So anybody can still enter and have a chance to win part of that $100,000 in Bitcoin. I've done this in the past, it's worked out really well. I've won Bitcoin, stocks, and cash simply by replying or liking tweets or retweeting, whatever they ask you to do. I'm going to go ahead and drop a like on this. You also want to be sure to follow Cash App and Bella Porsche. It's probably going to give you the best chance of winning. Then this one says, quote tweet this with your cash tag and Bitcoin Bella. So we can hit the retweet icon, tap quote retweet. Then we're going to type our cash tag. Mine is Andy Path. You can look yours up in the Cash App. All you would need to do is open up your app, tap on the icon in the top right corner, and it's going to show your cash tag there at the top. And then we want to type the hashtag, and then she puts a smiley face at the end, so I'm just going to do that as well. And tap tweet. There we go. We are entered into this giveaway. And usually how that works is they just send the Bitcoin straight into your Cash App here. You'll be able to see it under activity and everything like that. If you haven't yet, definitely set up the investing section and Bitcoin here on your Cash App. That'll do it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.